Right then, first things first, you will need a silicone elbow, some of this stuff, some of these, last but not least, one of these. These silicone elbows need trimming because they're far too long here and here. An easy way to cut these straight is to put a Jubilee clip on, nice and square, and then you can just trim around this edge with a Stanley knife. Right, now we've trimmed it side to side, we need to do something about this height. It's far too high, it's going to hit the bonnet. So, what we're going to do is measure from the bottom of the air filter to the manifold. It's about 50mm. I know it looks like 60 through the camera, but trust me, it's 50. So all I've done is measured 50mm from this edge to the inner edge of this Jubilee clip. And same again, Stanley knife, cut it. As you can see, fits much better. Now it's going to clear the bonnet. Next thing to do, Jubilee clips on. Now the Jubilee clips are on, we'll fit this stuff. It's going to go from here to here. Now I've got this fitted, one last job to do, and that's to sort this breather out of the back. Got one of these to throw on for now, just to see how we get on. I think at some point I'll 3D print a bracket just to tie these two together and make another bracket to stop the airbox wobbling. But other than that, that's it.